Hello everybody, welcome back into the project. So I have inserted some more products into the table, and now we have you can see these images are here in the folder products images. So now this is the time to display these products on the website here in the product area. So what we can do is basically we'll go to functions.php in order to create a function for getting the products from the table. So very simply just write function, and function name will be get pro, and inside the curly brackets we will write the script for getting the products from the table. The first thing is to make the connection variable global inside the function, so we can use that. We have already declared the MySQL connection above there. So now the next thing is to create a local variable get pro, which will be equal to, inside the double quotes we will write the SQL query select all from products and order by RE and D, and double parenthesis limit 0, 6. That's mean we are just getting 6 of the latest products, not the latest products, but randomly 6 products that we will show on the home page. That's it. So the next thing is to run this query, run pro. That's we have created a simple single variable, local variable. We'll use MySQL underscore query, and there is connection, and also get underscore pro as our parameter, second parameter. Now after that we will now use while loop over here, because we need to actually get multiple data. There may be many records, so therefore we need to use while loop, and there we will create another local variable row underscore pro, which will be is equal to MySQL underscore fetch underscore array. That's mean we are making an array of this run pro local variable. That's it. Now we can take data from the table directly because we are fetching the query. So the first thing we need from our table is basically the product ID. We can just say pro underscore ID is equal to row pro, and inside the square brackets we can just give the name of that field where the product ID is. Basically I'm talking about here, this product ID. This is the field name, we have to give that exactly. Now I will copy it, we'll paste it once, twice, thrice, 5th time, 6, 7, 8. The second one is product get. We'll change this also, product brand, and we need to look up what is the product title. Product title is the fourth one, and we need to change this local variable as well to pro title. After that we have product price, and we'll change it to pro price local variable, and product DESC description. Actually we don't need description over here, we only need the title and the price, and we don't need the keywords also, and we just need the image. So because we are showing in the home page, so we need just a few elements. Pro image is equal to pro image. That's it. we needed this data, and now we can simply echo this data. In an echo statement, you can simply display this data. We'll simply you know, very simply, okay, I'm coming back to this point, but we don't have a style or any style or you know, CSS style for this area. So we first need to create a CSS style for this area so we can display the products properly. So we'll simply go to this style.css file and we'll create very simple, I mean, an ID or class, but ID will be better. Product underscore box, products box, products underscore box. Inside this we will just simply add some CSS properties. For example, the width, that will be 780 pixel, and text align will be center, and margin left will be 30 pixel, and margin bottom will be 10 pixel. That's it. And we also need to create basically one more ID, which will be single underscore product, and we need to just add some styles to it as well. Its float will be left, and margin left will be 20 pixel here, and padding will be actually 10 pixel. That's it. We don't need just two IDs, single product and products underscore box. Just we'll go here again into our functions.php where we have written the PHP script. Now very simply we'll just set a div tag and we'll give it ID is equal to single underscore product, because this is single product over here, and we will just close or this div tag, and this is, we are writing it inside the echo statement where we have double quotes or here, and inside here, in here we can use single quotes only. We cannot double quotes, we cannot use double quotes because double quote is already there with the echo statement. So you should be careful here. Now the first thing is to add an h3 tag and display the title. Pro underscore title, I mean to display this thing, just coming directly from the database, from the table. So we have added it inside the h3 tag. Now Ctrl S to save, and we can just go to index.php where we have the content area. This is the content area. We'll remove this text, and inside here we'll add another another div tag, and its ID will be products underscore box. This is products box, we already declared in the CSS. This div is closed. Now in here we can simply using PHP we can call that get pro function very simply. Ctrl S to save, and just come over here, refresh the page, and you can see over here Dell Core i, Dell Core i7, Samsung Camera HP. I mean, these all are the titles of these products that we have inside the table. So we have just simply displayed the title, and this is a function. Basically we are calling it in the index.php file, but we are creating it here so we can make our code more clear. So the second thing is we need to actually add img tag. img source will be admin underscore area and product underscore images, and after that we have this image there, pro underscore image, and we can give a width to it something like 180 pixel and height also 180 pixel. That's it. What we are doing over here, man, we just simply said that img is a tag and a source or path will be the admin area. Inside the admin area we have products underscore images folder, and inside that folder find out this image which is coming from the database here and saved in the local variable. So we said you search there in the images and check out this name, because this image has a name in the database, so they will the script will go there and find this image and will display where we have given some height and width as well. Now come here, I have simply saved the page, refresh. You can see this is your the product images you can see over here in front of you. All of the images are actually displayed with the same title. Now the next thing is very simple, just in here add a paragraph tag, and inside the paragraph tag display the price, which is pro underscore price. And we can make it bold as well, B and B clause. B means bold. Control S to save, and now come out here, press, and you can see 200, 900, 1200. With each of the product that we inserted the price that is actually displayed with that product. 400 for HP new laptop, you can see over here HP new laptop is here, and 400 is price. Now there is no dollar sign or a euro sign or pound sign or anything like that, so you can add that very simply. Just before this add the S sign, Control S to save. Just the S sign or euro sign or whatsoever you like, but usually we add dollar sign. Fresh, so you can see dollar 800, dollar 1200, dollar 400. That's mean basically we are actually having with all of the products price. That's nice, fine. Now the next thing is to add two things. One is a detail page detail link, and one is a add to cart link. So very simply we will create a link, wrap is equal to, and details.php is a page, but we have not created it yet. We'll create it very soon. We'll add a text details, and we will add some style to it. For example, like we'll say style float, very simply float left. This will be float left. Control S to save. Come here, press the page, and this is the details. You can see the link, and with every product we have a link. That's nice, fine. Now the next thing is to simply add a link, wrap is equal to index.php, the same page, and style will be something like no, there is no style. Basically we will add a button, and to button we will give a style float right. That's it. And here we will use add to cart. We will first close the button and then close the link. Control S to save. Come here, refresh your page, and you are seeing now very nicely the buttons are here, add to cart button, and you can see things are now going very smooth slowly. You can also just go to this page, the style page, and can say that inside the single product, if we have an image, we can add a border so that can look beautiful. Inside the single underscore product ID, if there is an img tag, very simply add a border 2 pixel solid black. That's it. Control S to save. Refresh the page and you see very nice border over here. So now if anybody clicks this add to cart link, they can add the product, and we will add a bar over here for shopping cart in our upcoming video tutorials. We will also change some other things in this, but simply we have displayed the products using this function get pro, and we have retrieved 6 random products from the table, from the database, and this is the while loop going, and some data we have here, and we have displayed that inside an echo statement one by one: title, the image, the price, and these things. And we have to work or here a little bit in next lecture, but simply we have called this function over here inside the content area using this products underscore box CSS ID or the div tag. That's for this tutorial, and next video I'm coming back and taking this project to next level. Stay tuned.